Where are we headed today?
Oh, we are doing a large city walk of Copenhagen. That's going to include a lot of things.
Okay. Any place in particular that we're headed? I know we just passed Tivoli Gardens.
Yep. Hopefully we're going there tomorrow for a bit.
Tomorrow, okay.
We will see.
All right.
So that's a big amusement park here. But today we're heading towards like the city hall and the Stroget, which is like a big shopping mall area, and there's a couple of interesting things around there.
Okay.
We're gonna end up at a castle, I believe.
Probably
either today
lots
or
of those
tomorrow.
around.
Yeah, probably both today and tomorrow.
Okay.
And we're gonna see the harbor. And I think that's about it for today. I don't know. We'll see if there's some other things on there. I've got a list.
Yeah, I'm sure you do. All right. Well, we'll press on.
Mm-hmm.
This is the St. Peter's Cathedral, is that right?
Yeah, church, cathedral, one of those.
Something like that.
Basically, it's one of the oldest standing buildings in Copenhagen proper. And it's got some pretty cool architecture. That spire is really neat.
It is. So this was built in 1200?
Something
80?
like that.
Something like that. You have the guidebook.
I do have the guidebook.
Or you could read the sign that we looked at earlier.
I mean, I'm assuming that has already been shown, so...
Well, true.
So we're gonna go see another cathedral that's next door. So we'll show you that, and maybe you'll see us and maybe you won't.
Yeah. So now we're in Old Square.
Gemmeltorf. So this was the old city center, and hence the old square.
There's a lovely fountain behind us.
Yeah, so apparently this used to provide drinking water to the locals. So, and that's why there's a woman squirting water out of her bosom.
Ah, as one does.
Yes.
And now we're in the new square.
Nytorv.
For context, the old square is just right over there.
Yeah, they were ashamed of the fountain, so they tried to make it not the center of the city.
I don't think they did a great job at that, but...
Yeah. So behind is the old city hall. And we're standing on a raised platform where apparently the whipping post stood until 1780.
Seems appropriate.
Yeah. Welcome to the top of the Rundetarn, or the Round Tower.
It's quite the climb, but quite the view. Not quite as bad as the volcano, but
No, but there's a nice breeze up here, so that's good.
absolutely.
It's definitely gonna be a hot one today.
Hotter. Not completely hot.
Hotter than Iceland.
Well, yes, that's what I mean.
We've now come south from the Round Tower, past the Stroget area again, and crossed over onto an island, Slatsholmen.
Doesn't feel like an island, but
No, and you don't really tell because there's all these roads along the river front here.
yeah, there's a little canal, river.
Yeah,
right
and
in
I
front
think
of
there's
us.
a tourism center right there where all the tours start.
Yeah, basically.
But anyway, Slatsholmen is the home to the Christiansborg Palace, which I forget whose palace it is, but apparently
The
it's
Royals, maybe?
Yeah, I mean it's a well-fortified one because it's on an island, or
yeah.
at least it was in times when you needed to do that kind of thing.
Yeah.
We're gonna go look around inside.
Cool. Greetings.
Back outside in the sun.
Yep, we're just in the ruins under
Christiansborg Castle.
that one, where we are now.
Christiansborg
Castle. So the ruins are of the original castle, which was Bishop Absalon, the founder of Copenhagen's castle.
Well, not the original. I think it's like the second or third iteration of the Copenhagen castle.
Well, the Copenhagen castle itself came later, once it was actually Copenhagen.
Yeah.
But anyways, we're going to go check out some other grounds over there.
And then start making our way down a promenade to a little harbor.
Cool. And now where are we?
Now we're at Amalie Haven and Amalie Borg, which are...
What are those?
Well, one's the kind of park and fountain in front of the palace, and Amalie Borg is the palace that the royals actually currently live in.
Ah, okay.
So we're gonna go walk around that a little bit.
Cool. Greetings!
End of the day.
End of the day. What did you think of today?
It was fun.
Yeah, we did see quite a bit.
Yeah, I packed the day with a lot of walking.
Yes, you did. I kind of thought we were going to be taking the train more places, but no, we walked everywhere.
We did a city walking tour.
Yeah, it was fun though.
It was. We had a lot of fun.
What did you think of the city?
It's a nice little city. Lots of bicycles everywhere and bicycle lanes.
That is one of the main things that people do here, bike around.
They're everywhere. Bikes everywhere.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah, had a lot of fun. After the palace, we just kind of decided we were really tired from all the walking. Still walked back.
Well, yes.
Still walked back, but basically we've just been kind of chilling. We had some Thai food for dinner. It was really good.
We did, yeah.
At lunch we had open-faced sandwiches.
Yeah, you had like a meat roll, which ended up being what exactly?
I'm not really sure. It was kind of like a ham or a beef.
Generic meat, okay.
It was like a beef something.
I had an old smoked cheese, which was not quite like a Limburger, but kind of a stinky cheese. It was good.
Yeah, that was good too. We had ice cream at one point.
We did. We didn't film that because it was dripping everywhere. It was like 85 today, so...
Yeah, it would have gone fast.
It did go fast. I'm not certain they're quite prepared for that. Like, we got it in basically literally just dripping already.
Yeah.
But
it was still good.
Yeah, a lot of cool history, a lot of colorful sights, a lot of nice day overall.
Very hot day. I think tomorrow will be a little bit cooler. Might be a little rain in the middle of the day.
We'll see.
We will see.
Less walking tomorrow?
To be determined.
Okay.
But we may take the train more tomorrow.
Alrighty. Well, cool. Anyways, with the sun coming in that window, that means it's probably time to wrap up. So, we'll see you all tomorrow.